winning. Hey, Whānau. How's everybody doing today? Monday for some, Sunday for others. How you guys doing today? Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Buffalo Wild Wings. Too strange. Too, brother. Today's my birthday. Lucky you. See you after. How do I donate? By watching. So Sahit Rixa sent me a DM. Will you reply after stream? Oh god, here we go. Who's Ruiz? Thanks brother. Doesn't have to sub. Yeah, give a happy birthday shout out to the brother. Nice chat, got onto it before I did. Hey, nice. Flower, thank you for the sub. Didn't have to. And also, that dog is Dank. Nice name, brother. Man, that's a lot of happy birthdays, brother. You're lucky. I think there's more happy birthdays than I've received in my life. So the Māori word for saying happy birthday is Hari Hurito. Merry Christmas. True, brother. Okay, let's get into it, eh? Oh, we'll have our 5-minute catch up first. How's everyone doing? He's a goat. No, I'm not a goat, brother. Okay, let's plug this in. It's not my birthday, it's one of the viewers' birthdays. If that's why you guys are spamming. No, it's not me, bro. Good, it's cold. Yeah, it's definitely cold here too. Whew, my back. I've had a shit day. I'm so glad you're here. Always managed to cheer me up. Yo, Newcastle Gypsy. Cheer, brother. As long as you're happy, bro, that's all that matters. Are you still going to do the Bob Ross painting? Yeah, so what I have to do before we do that is I want to get these pop vinyls in so we can do a giveaway. And I've got to talk to my cousin Squirted HD on how he does his point system on his stream. Shout out to the cousin, by the way. Just so we can like build channel points so it's fair for everyone, and it's only going to be 1 point, like that's all. So you can build up points for a certain amount of time, but it's only ever going to be 1 point, just so it makes it fair for everyone else. So top 3 will be, top 2 will be sub onlys. It's just I ordered a Kurama Susanoo, but it's not out till the end of September, and I really want to do this stream before then. No, I'm good, thanks for the sub, man. Now, if you're new here, you don't have to. So not long to go, and then we get into it. So it's pretty sad until now. All good, bro. Hey, Fanta. Love your box, everything. Yeah, all good, chick. Thanks, brother. You didn't have to resub, my bro. The world needs more box. Then we might end up like the Clone Wars. Oh, thanks. It's cold, eh?
Freezing.
Oh, this one's look a bit starry.
Cold.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know if anyone else does this. The Tim Tams. Oh shit, who's this? QO Rocks, bro. God, we didn't have to do that, brother. Watch this, I bet you that dude off YouTube will clip this and Brock's eating Tim Tams. Oh, thank you, bro, for gifting. If you're new here, you don't have to do that. You can watch Chair Phoenix, go to be a koe te kahi. Yeah. Sorry, I'm just trying to get warm. So let me just eat my Tim Tams. Polisi, thanks for the sub, brother. Along with Zubelu. You didn't have to do that. Oh my god, what are you doing? Swing, swing, swung. What the hell? Yo, swing, 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 swung, bro. Holy sh... What? 25? That's enough, brother. Let me just... Yeah. I'm only drinking tea. NJ Boffin, happy birthday. It's not my birthday, brother. It's one of the viewers. But thank you, my bro. When did you start your Twitch channel? Oh, it said about 4 years ago. Okay, I'll try and eat these as fast as I can. Sub tea. Yeah, so the brother Thunder Punch is going to be making us a tea emote. Whose birthday is it? Shout out in the chat, brother. Sean, thanks for the sub, my bro. Didn't have to. Oh, it's cold. Okay, 2 more. Take your time eating. So over the weekend, I linked up with, oh shit. So we linked up with Kigsus, thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to do that. So we linked up with Red Bull over the weekend. Check out. So my niece is here today too. I won't be showing you on stream though, just because they're that clown on YouTube. Okay, let's start doing some work here. Chungus. Cheer, brother, for the sub. You didn't have to, my bro. Nice name. Who's Clutch and Big Tall Josh? Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. You can watch for free. Let's go, eh? Where's everyone from? Since we're on a bit earlier today, I know some of the viewers from the UK will get to watch a bit earlier than usual. Brox, you are my Gibraltar. You need a shield, brother. I actually don't know his words, eh? Denmark, yo, let's go. There's quite a lot of people here from the UK, the States as well. But it's beautiful to see where everyone's from, eh? Because obviously I can't travel the world, or I haven't anyway, but it's good to see where everyone's from. Ireland. Hey, Talker, thanks for the bits too, man. You didn't have to. Scotland, let's go. Hey, cheer, Kobe. How you, brother? Cheer, brother Otto. Colbert, everybody know Colbert for the pause, for the pause. I can never get that out of my head when you drop in, brother. Okay, what are we up to today? We are doing pakatis around the sides. So we got 1, 2, 3 in the middle here. And then we on that head today. Man, that's so much countries, eh? USA. Okay, let me grab a few chisels and then we'll away. We'll get some tire action in today too. Oh. Let's put some of my tools over here. Let's go. Bring my pencil. Okay guys, now if you... Oh, Surfing Spawn. Thanks for being awesome. Yo, you didn't have to resub, my brother. Thank you though, bro. Leo as well. You gotta look back here just to acknowledge those that have did that. What time is it over here? Oh, it's almost 10:30, brother. Yeah, a bit earlier than usual, but just thought, why not? It's cold as here though. I mean, these streams are always cold because I'm in an open shed, but hey, who cares? They've subscribed for 3 months. You're the sweet genius. Thanks, man. Didn't have to do that. But appreciate it, brother. And I'm wondering, ooh, sweet darling, what does Chirfano mean? It means hello, family. Yoo-hoo. Hello, family. Chir is like NZ slang for hello. Whānau means family in our language. That's what I call the community. We have a green hand. Nice. Nefarious. Thanks for the sub, brother, and 9 fame. You didn't have to. Hopefully as we carve through it starts to warm up. I'll actually turn it around. Hey, brother Thunder. Digital Ignorance, thank you very much for the sub. Now if you're new here, man, you can watch for free. It is more than welcome. Cheer the mokapuna. Mokapuna, pia? Or is that another dialect? Hey, Charizard. Cheer, brother. How are you, Thunder? Feeling better? Looking forward to your streams this week too, my bro, if you do. I'm ready to come be Inner Voices, your dark means. Will we ever get a Brock singing stream? I mean, I'm open to it. I mean, if it makes people laugh, then yeah. I'll have fun. Keen. Do you listen to any music? Yeah, bro, licensed music, but you all know the situation with Twitch. Mainly, reggae, bro. You can find that in the, what is it? Spotify. You should be the president of Earth. Nah, man. I mean, if you're going to be the president of Earth, you're going to be so busy you can't play well. I like playing well. I hope you have a good time. Agata. Oh, you'll have a good time because you guys are here too. Myers in chat. Nah, I'm not even sick. You're singing is so soothing. Yeah, I'll do a singing stream. I just gotta get one of those, do I need one of those flash streamer mics too? Let me know. And like, do I have to download a program or anything? Or have Karaoke Friday? Beethoven. Thanks for the bits, brother. What's the name, Margie? Finally, an early stream. Cheers, Spy Tech. Cheers, brother. I forgot to roll my back out. And OnlyFans. Nah, OnlyHands, brother. We're gonna make a new one. Our OnlyHands app is gonna destroy OnlyHands, and it's only for artists. You know, because us artists show our hands most of the time. So it only makes sense. What you been up to, Brother Thunder? Still just jamming? Or just kicking back? My streams are really awesome. Oh, thank you, brother. Now, if you have any questions about this, don't be afraid to ask. It's all good. How do I donate? By watching, brother. We don't have a PayPal link. Main reason behind it is because of COVID-19 and with people around me and around the world. It just made me think, why have one right now when people are struggling, when they could look after themselves? But I'll put it on for my birthday, maybe. It's just the only day I think about myself. About to do the lawn's house inspection tomorrow. Fuck yeah. Gotta love house inspection, eh? Gun donors, thanks for the sub as well, brother. This is sponsored by Raid. Who's Raid? No idea what you're saying, brother. Tia fellow Kiwi, kia ora whānau kia ka. Tēnā koe, very nice. Very nice. Oh god. Connor man. Yep, you are the man, brother. My bro, you don't have to give subs, eh? Like straight up, my bro. Bro, I'm getting hot already. Joe Jiggy. Joe, brother. Can I send you a gift from my music room? Nah, keep your stuff, man. I'll be fine. I don't have a PO box anyway, and I don't plan on getting one for that reason. Just keep your guys' stuff, it's alright, brother. Are you based in Oaks? Nah, I live in Rotorua, but I'm from Ruatahuna, in the bush. Yeah, so I don't know when, so shout out to 4 and 5 Studios for giving me the opportunity to do some filming with them, which was bloody fun. Nervous, but fun. Man, you should have seen some of the gadgets they had for their filming, eh? Shit. Quite neat. Here's another jigsaw. True, you should have a crump battle for the name. That's how you do it, eh? When someone's got your name, you crump battle for it. What filming? Hey, true, crazy. Oh, bro, I had to do So Red Bull NZ reached out asking if we could do a story on them. They were nice. They weren't demanding like other people have been. So I just said yes to them. I've turned down a few I mean, if you're nice, I'll say yes. Resale wood carvings. EU dub drama. Not cheap, brother. Yeah. So after my taiaha that I'm doing, I will jump on that after. Then we'll open up the commission. Serial Storm, thank you very much for subbing, my brother. You did not have to. Garbage floating around these days, cheese brother. Yeah, Gene Creamers. All good, brother. But thank you, though. And Revolt TV, thank you very much as well, man. Didn't have to. Jeez, I should have really rolled my back out too. I forgot to. Oh, I don't know what the ones are for. Ozza spoke, thanks brother, along with Stolen Time. Didn't have to do that. Jeez, I don't know what everyone's saying one for. Red Bull Skydive, yeah, no I can't bro, I'm over like 100 kgs, so I'm not allowed. My fat ass ain't required. Oh, thanks dude, you died. Appreciate it brother. Didn't have to give the bits more bro, you can just watch them. And Charlie Noble. Thank you very much guys. Just remember to look after yourselves too. Do you know who Mike Tyson is? Everyone knows who Mike Tyson is, brother. My style is impetuous. Fuck, his new videos of his training, eh? He's looking bloody scary, man. Oh, that's a fancy looking comment. Can you get a subreddit, please? Ah, nah, I have enough time with Twitter and Instagram. I don't need one more thing to bloody look after. And Discord is bloody hard. Sorry, bro. If you want to talk to me, just talk on Twitter or something. So cozy. Yeah, I think everyone's playing this lo-fi mix, eh? Ever since the new rules came in. Surrounding music. It's become everyone's like go-to. If they haven't got any mic looking built. Yeah bro, he's looking real built. Apparently he's fighting Roy Jones Jr. Can someone confirm? Oh, that's what I saw. How do you source your wood? No, just look around, eh? See who's selling wood. If you know someone with a tree that's been felled, in there. Good rugby game yesterday, so if we guys go to... Yeah, nah, the Blues with me. It's all good, bro. Love watching rugby. I might plug the speaker. Jake Paul is the match's undercard. Oh, I don't really like those fellas, eh? The big heads. Not really a fan of them. My bad, but that's just me. How's your morning, brother? The hateful? My morning's good, man. A bit cold, but that's just the norm in this stream, brother. Numb hands and all. Just carry on. I'm going to join the Jigsaw team. Hey, cheers, JT. How are you, brother? Geez, I haven't even checked if the next badge is coming up too. For the I'm gonna call you the founders. Sure, the brown freak. Oh, everyone's testing how much of an egg they are. Just make sure you don't do it in the chatting. Unlock your inner egg through the test, but don't do it in the chat. Like, don't be a troll. Okay, so I'm just doing all of this. So anyone see that Zoids game coming on Switch? Bruh. Everyone's smashing out their tests. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, how's your day, bro? You're amazing. Oh, I'm average, brother. Well, my day's going good, my bro. Hope yours is going good as well. What's your Twitter name? Just should be in my bio down the bottom as well, brother. And the about section. But just exclamation mark socials, my bro. Fucking hell, everyone trying to be a egg. Okay, that's enough, guys. You don't have to spam that. Bloody hell, there's some talent. Oh, that's alright. Not where I want it to be. Everyone's testing. Okay, now. What's an egg? An egg is a troll, someone that's been an absolute twat in chat. That usually gets them banned. Yo, Match, thanks for the sub as well. You didn't have to, my brother. And Scott's as well. I was watching the new WoW Guild's live stream, trying to win me a bloody Brutosaurus mount. I really want one, Eve. But damn, I don't think I'm about to get it. I've been trying to grind, but it's just too hard saving up that much gold, eh? What car do you have? My car is Red Band Gumboot, if you can see it. It's what I utilise every day to get to the destination. It's not my birthday, eh? It's not. Okay, yep, that's looking goodly. What you up to today, brother Connor? Still jamming Ghosts? Been really wanting to jam it, eh? But I just get a bit tired lately. I still haven't touched the main story. But yeah, brother, I was looking at a Makita, what is it, angle grinder yesterday. But I don't know if the portable ones came with a battery or not. Oh, thanks, Zeddy. You're a good person, too. Oh, there's a lot of good processes, YouTube.
The legal process, transportation. Then there are other processes we got right the first time. That's why we make Meadow Fresh Carlo the authentic way. Only 2 ingredients strained to create a...
Gotta love those YouTube ads, eh, Dubbies? How's life treating you? Yeah, all good. Stomach is full, roof over my head. Can't complain, brother. Just when Mrs. Brooks is being annoying. What does the title mean? So cheer means hello. It's kind of like NZ slang, brother. And whānau means family in Māori. So that's my native language. It's the people who are the native people to Aotearoa, New Zealand. And that's what I call the community instead. Whānau, family. That's just what I call them. Much love, big camps too, brother. Thanks, Billy J. Yeah, so we've been on this piece for a few weeks, mainly because we're taking our time. That's the main thing. Is just with this piece, just showing what we can make, sharing the journey. That was my main focus for this. Just telling a bit about the culture and the art form along the way, which everyone seemed to enjoy as well, which was good. Hey, let's do my thing. Yeah, it is a good day today. I might go put a sim load on sim. Hey brother, do you remember Digimon? Bro, Blackwall Greymon, my G. He was one of my favourites, Blackwall Greymon. But out of the beginners, like the main cast, Zudomon was my favourite. Definitely one of my favourites. Thank you, Gek Boss, for the tier 1. You didn't have to, my bro. Golden Lucas, man, you have a good sleep, mate. Thank you for being here. Blessings, cousin. Cheer cut mutt. How much for one of those pieces? So something like this sells for 5,000. But I want to make pieces where it's affordable as well. Be it small carvings. What's your drinker? One day works, brother. If I had to be specific, probably just a Hilux. Carry my wood. That's about it, brother. Or a Ford Ranger. Do you make any wooden carvings for yourself? Nah, bro. I actually don't have any for myself. Well, other than the piece I did as a student. Yeah. Come on, guys. Oh, James, thank you very much, man. Didn't have to, my brother. Great artwork, my dude. Thanks, brother. Let's have a sip of my tea while making a wooden project. Nice, board boy. You should jump on the Discord and show us. Yeah, Fanta, definitely. Like some keychains with the designs on it. What else can we do? The water for drinking. Yeah, bro. It's my water bottle. Most definitely is for drinking, my bro. going to sleep. Have a good stream, brother. Yo, Kaze game. Oh, Kaze G, man. Thanks, brother. You have a good sleep too. Didn't have to give bits though. Currently watching from school. Okay. Smick, I want you to turn it off now and do your schoolwork, please, brother. Everyone knows how I stand by this, bro. Schoolwork is more important than watching me, okay? So do it for me. Oh, there'll be other streams where you can watch while you're not at school, brother. Please do it for me, my bro. Smash that schoolwork out. Oh, it's not even funny, yeah. I'm being serious. Yo, Snipe, thank you very much, brother. Yeah, focus on school, brother. There'll be plenty of opportunities to watch me, my bro. Schoolwork is much more important. Oh, I don't even think that's funny. Okay, cheer, BZ. Thank you, man. You didn't have to do that. And I don't know, thank you very much. You guys don't have to do that. You can watch. Yeah, just focus on school, brother. Rather see you succeed. Yeah, I don't joke about that. I was being serious. How's it from South Africa? Hey, brother. I'm good, my bro. Damn, all the way from like Star Wars carving. I only do mouldy carvings, bro. So mouldy wood carvers in my description. I can't really do anything outside of that. I mean, I probably could if I tried, but this is where my heart is, bro. I just want to showcase my culture to everyone, see if everyone likes it. Yeah, watch the VODs, my brother. Come back later, please. Smash that schoolwork out, brother. Jeez, I hope he is. Okay, I'm getting hot. I'll just go and put a signal on. Okay. That's good. Shout out to Kobe. What do you do with your carvings, mate? Pretty much sell them, gift them. They don't stay with me anyway. I don't want them. Hey brother, what country does your art originate from? Aotearoa, brother, New Zealand. If you want art that originates from the sea, from the sea god, Māori sea god Tangaroa, Some know him as Kanaloa. Some of our other Polynesian cousins. Yo, do you love what you do? It's man, how long you put into... Yeah, cheer, faded 420. Cheer, my bro. Half-baked potato. Thanks for the sub, my bro. Didn't have to. Can watch for free. Don't care how sick people get of me saying that. I mean, I'm still gonna say it. You watched Whitaker? Nah. Not at all, bro. Was playing well. I only watch Izzy's fight. Izzy fight. Or Masvidal. Other than that, I just wait for the results guy. Oh god. Yo, half-baked potato. Thanks for that, brother. Bro, you didn't have to do that, man, bro. Straight up. It's my daughter's hair tie. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, can't do that. Nice beard, brother. Oh, bro, I need to invest in some beard by me. Kobe Jesus back. Yeah, cheap brother Kobe. It's getting hot. I mean, there's still frost around, but it's hot. Quite hot. You honestly, you're... Express myself in the mission that would just get lost in chat. Oh, I didn't, brother. I see you. So even though you'll never see this, here's to you, man. Thank you. With everything I have, I wish you absolute best. I'm saving up to buy a carving from you, man. Yeah. Deca patron. Oh, I see you clearly, brother. Bro. DM me, brother. Let's talk. Devil Badger. Oh, God. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to do that as well. But yeah, appreciate it though, brother. No, I saw your comment, brother. Yeah, message me, bro. But thank you once again to bro for donating as well. Use bloody no, you don't have to. Great community, eh? But we're known for having no ears. Isn't it cold? Oh, it was before, but I'm because of working, eh? And moved some of the stuff out of the shed so I can move forward a bit, get more of that sun. Sacred Treasurita. Copen TKO, thank you for the sub, my G. You didn't have to. You can watch for free, my man. What does Che Whānau means? It goes, hello. Hello whānau, hello family. So Che is NZ slang for hello. It's like a greeting. Bro. Silver. Thank you for the sub, my bro. Didn't have to. Then a fan for you. There's much love from Koutou. Jay. Maybe it inspired me to start streaming content creating with my yeah, nice T Baggins. That's right, I remember that name. I'm from Tūhoia, Te Arawa, brother. Born and raised in Ruatahuna, but also from Rotorua here. Oh, of course. Half-baked potato. Jeez, bloody bugger. My bro, you did not have to do that, my man. So thank you, brother. What's the emote next to me? It's a sub badge. Created by Brother Thunder Punch. So there's Thunder, Fanta, and I know Jess is probably at work, but are you two in here, brothers? Swank Mage. Yo, thanks for that, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. In this mean world, finding love in this mean world. I don't know, be yourself, brother. I'm no hitch, bro, but yeah, just be yourself. I'm here. Okay, yeah, bro. So with the talk that I had on the weekend, Fanta, they asked me about mods and stuff, and I mentioned you. Then there's moving the lawns. I mentioned you, brother. Just how much of a big supporter you are in the Twitch ANZ community. They better put their part in too. Hope that's alright, man. You're leaking, cleaning the funny. Oh man, all good, yeah. Bloody house inspections, eh? I hate them. Like even when people come, I leave the house. I don't stay. Oh god. Yo, half-baked potato, brother. Thank you, my bro. Didn't have to. Fucking hell, brother. What do you do for a job? Got us any vacancies? Showing massive, yeah, he is. I hope he's not trying to beat the other guys. There's no need to do that, brother. It's come chip, but thank you, brother. That's more than enough, my bro. There's no reason to overdo it. Just look out for yourself too. That's all that matters, brother. Half-baked potato. I am a full-baked potato fan myself. I'm from the UK, so house inspection has been like the real estate or the landlords come in just to check, obviously, if you're keeping the house in a good state. And I've just never been a fan of them. I just leave the house and leave Mrs. Proxy and her sister to deal with it. I've just never been a fan of them. Finally catch your streams. Cheers, brother. Yeah, all good, bro. Welcome. Oh, mahalo. Looking good, brother. Cheers, my brother. Oh, jeez. Cheers, brother. Mahalo for resubbing. Bro, you didn't have to. You know that. Hope you're doing well, bro. Not being too busy. And then Nefarious. Did you have another job away full time? I did have a job until I got made redundant because of the virus, and then yeah, just trying out full time streaming. Didn't think I'd ever be doing this ever. Just everyone enjoys what I do, and just want to carry on doing it for you guys. No, Nefarious. Holy shit, brother. Gotta set a bad example for the other. Cheers, my boy. And Nefarious, thank you, brother. You didn't have to do that, my boy. I feel like I've heard that name before. Cottonmouth. And Draki Assassin, thank you guys. You didn't have to do that. Do you watch anime? Yeah, bro. Been reading a bit of manga too. Manga, however, whatever way people say it. One Piece. And just watching what's happening with Zoro, because he's one of my favourites. Roronoa from the Straw Hats. Linaya, thank you very much. You didn't have to. half-baked replies, mate, but I got lost in the chat, said I'm unemployed at the moment, but you egg. Did he say that? Bro, just come watch for free, bro. You sound a lot like Cork. Hey man, it seems like you had a special and intimate relationship with this hammer, and losing it was like losing a loved one. First time coming to the stream, really needed some chill. Keep it up, bro. Cheer Luis, I hope I said that right, brother. And Ease Combat, thanks for that, my bro. If you're new here, guys, you can hold off subbing. No, potato. Did you voice Claude? Nah, man, I didn't. The guy you're looking for is Taika Waititi. He's probably one of the most successful Maori people in the modern time, I would say. He's doing really well, along with Stephen Adams as well. Do you like, wow, yeah, bro. Cheers, John. Yeah, I play well, brother. I'm on Frostmourne and Barthelus. I'm only playing Alliance because the brother Panda's on there. Not a fan of the Alliance, but yeah. Sadly, it's the most populated faction in ACE, which is sad. I'm more of a Horde fan. Are you excited for Cyberpunk? I haven't watched enough to take it all in yet, brother. Damn, Kiri Te Kanawa was pretty... Yeah, Kiri Te Kanawa too. Who else? Just so many, eh? A lot. Like, really a lot. They're the ones putting the country on the map. Vapor Jesus, thank you very much, brother. Didn't have to do that, my bro. Okay. Looking sick, man. Hey, thanks, brother. Do you have a website? No, I don't, brother. Looks nice. Hey, thanks, Mr. Rainbow. Cheers, brother. Yeah, I remember you saying you were going to have the weekend off just to relax. Good on you, brother. Well, good on you, boy. Dude, carving is cool. Hey, thanks, brother. Can you talk about the wood in good carving? Good carving? Well, the wood itself, brother, is known as tōtara. So tōtara is a red pine and native tree as well. So it's similar to Californian red pine as well. But other than that, bro, it's a soft timber. It's one of the good ones to use in terms of projects like these, and much larger ones too. But for me, it all depends what's available, eh? I was just lucky enough I got this from one of the bros. Matt Dorr, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Didn't have to. I've found the message button eventually. Cheers. Cheers. All good, bro. I'll talk to you after stream, but have a name. So Dreadlack, yep, this particular mold or carving does have a name. It doesn't have an ancestral name, so what we call them are wheku. So these carvings are usually adorned at the apex of our meeting houses to represent the face of our ancestor, because they're named after our ancestors. And there are other variations of faces that we use other than this one. A koruru, which represents an owl, and a ruru as well. So we have more than one particular face that we like to use, so I guess it's what you want to do really. So wheku is spelled W-H-E-K-U, but our W-H is pronounced as an F, if that makes sense, but is it a bit hotter there today? Oh yeah, a bit better than most days, brother. You know our streams we have, raining all the damn time. You ever play rugby? Ages ago, bro, not anymore. I wouldn't mind getting back into it though. What is the most popular names among Māori people? Do you have two names? Like the popular common Māori names is like Aroha, which means love for girls. Yeah, but I mean, we have many different Māori names, so I can't tell you mine because I'm a mystery man, like Bruce Wayne. They usually is that a cut on your? No, it's just my baby's hair tie. Cutter. Reckon you'll finish the wheku today? I would like to say yes, but I don't know, brother. Yeah. Brooks' real name is Batman. Gotta keep a bit of mystery, eh? Nah, I'll tell my real name one day. Just can't be bothered. Kumara Jazir, thanks for the sub, my brother. Appreciate it, my bro. Didn't have to. Absolutely love to see that. Hey, cheer brother, just as a plain waharoa he has for weddings. He carves the wheku. Oh, that's pretty mean, bro. Projects. Cheer brother, just are you on mute today or? Let me know if you're on mute today. So I'm just doing alpaca tea now, guys, so eventually you'll see me coming around. It's best to just start from the side. Voltre, thank you very much for the sub, my bro. Didn't have to. Yeah, one day I'll tell my name, I just can't be bothered at the moment. Watch this guy, will probably put that on his YouTube channel. Clown. Angel Negrito, greetings from Mexico. Hey, cheer brother. His real name is Brewmaster. Brand Christian. No brother, I never have. So they're all Swiss ones, the main ones I use. Others I've just collected over time. Someone redeemed the posture check. What's that? Okay. I don't see it. if I can. Hold on, guys, I'll just do this. And we get. Oh god, who sent those? Nefarious, oh brother. You don't have to do that, my brother, you can watch for free. Is that a Tiki mask? Yeah, sort of. Our Tiki mods, if that helps. But these things are mainly for our meeting houses, bro. Greetings from Denmark. What does not being an egg mean? Oh, there's someone else there, read the rules. So an egg in the New Zealand term, brother, is just like a troll. Don't be a dick in the chat, really. That's all it means. We all know what happens to trolls and Twitch, they get banned. Sent back to the chicken coop where they belong. Are you a fan of Stephen Adams? Yeah, definitely, bro. For 1 gajillion channel points. Oh, that's right. Just has my address and my real name. Nah, you want to know my real name? Hype's in the chat for my real name. That's all I have to see though. If I see one comment, nah. How long does it take to do a Fiku? If I wasn't doing it on stream, I could finish it in a few days. John Wayne. John Wayne. And TJ, thank you very much, guys. Didn't have to sub, you can watch for free. Have you travelled around the world? Hell no, brother. I haven't even been off the North Island, my bro. Oh, not enough hypes. No name. Not enough Brock's hype in the chat. No one cares. No. Three months, baby, let's go. Hey, Stan FC champ, bro. I don't want to butcher your name, but thank you, man. Bro, you didn't have to resub. Appreciate it, though, man. Consult with my financial advisor. Watch this now, just so probably get heaps of emails. What's Brox's real name, my bro? I should sleep, but I said chill to watch. Oh, bro. Go and get us some sleeping, brother. I'll be on tomorrow. Do you really want to know my real name? Let me know. I'll tell you. Let me know. How's your day? Ah, it's good, bro. Yep, so you got one, yep. Dire Wolf, thanks for that, brother. Didn't have to. Love from Israel. Okay, so my name is Never Gonna Give You Up, Never Gonna Let You Down, Never Gonna Tell a lie and hurt you, Never Gonna Make You Cry, Never Gonna Say Goodbye, Never Gonna Tell a lie and hurt you. Shame. I would play the real song, but then I'll get DMCA. Not quite the same effect, but you know, nothing wrong with a half-price Rickroll. Or half-assed, I should say. Oh yeah, real Rickroll. I wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Yeah, I made the damn cereal as an egg. Yeah, it was gonna happen though. Oh well, there's not much we can do, but just reach out to our favourite artists and hopefully they say yes. Do you take song requests? Oh, I just let it play on YouTube, brother. Sorry. Hello, Psycho Page. Okay. Oh, fatal vibes. Bro, you didn't have to do that, brother. Thank you. Should I just... I should just turn this on the bloody side. Oh, I can't. So I'll get in the way of the camera. Did you really train to be a singer? In opera? Yeah. I didn't even know I could sing opera. We were like in music academy one day. Cause I was like the BV's guy. And we were getting ready for our end of year show. And bloody, believe it or not, but one of the bros was singing He Lives in You from Lion King. And he was the bass at the time because I didn't even know my voice was capable of doing any of that. And yeah, we were all in a circle one day and I just mucked around and sang it and everyone got a big fright to it. Oh, even I did. Hold on, guys. Yeah, thank you, Dicker patron. True, brother. Nice looking me, brother. Hey, true, brother. I just saw some clips on YouTube and wanted to drop by and tell you that you... Oh, it's all good, Silver, really? Yeah, we got a One Piece fan. All good, brother. Nothing wrong with being honest, my bro. Yo, Philip, thanks for the sub, my brother. Didn't have to. Rick and Morty. I can't watch that cartoon, it's just a bit too cooked for me. I was like, what even is this? Far, did you see Zoro's forging his swords now? On the One Piece thing? Manga, whatever. Yeah, one thing I had to do with Red Bull with this interview, I had to do bloody hair flicks, bro. I was like, what? How did you find out? He's like, can we get a hair flick, please? No spoilers, please. It's all good, I won't tell. It's pretty mean though, what's happening. Yeah, man, I was tired last night. That looks amazing. Oh, thanks, Kawaii. Kawaii. Oh, I'm loving the sun, eh? It's great. Bionic Bits, thanks man. Did you get a copy of the Red Bull interview? It's still been edited. time, mate? Usually I start at 10:30, brother, but today I started at 10 o'clock. Try and do Monday to Friday. But if something comes up in terms of family, I'll take the day off. So, yeah. Yeah, they got some hair flicks and they want to slow it right down there. Yo, Mr. Avello, thank you for that. You didn't have to. You can watch for free. It's all good. But thank you, man. So glad I found you. Hey, Shuttle Boy. All good, brother. Welcome. Do you ever paint your carvings? Nah, not really. I bought some more linseed oil on the weekend. Want to watch man just on the spell. Finding all the streams from you. Yeah, bro. I found them. Like just through other people as well, just like the same. Usually, yeah, I'll bounce between whoever's on, just so I can capture the moments. Give us a cheeky hair flick. Ooh. There's definitely something different, eh? Like even you need to time lapse the carve. Yeah, I just gotta get another camera. I don't know if this one can do it, eh? And just leave it on above me somehow. Mr. G Moichu. Is that Mr. G? Buzzy if it is. Thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. Do you accept commissions? Not yet, bro. So after the current commission I have, I will be. But there will be some requirements, so I can't carve anything outside of my culture. No, don't ask. People probably ask me, bro, can you carve me Tanjiro? So cultural carver, my G. Kia ora from Auckland. Hello. Kiss me. My partner will waste you. Well, I'm glad I managed to catch another stream. Hey, bro. Welcome, brother. How are you? Great to be here, Queer. How are you? Carve me like one of those French girls. Just do that, eh? But play the Titanic song with that flute guy. Okay, I need another. So I'm gonna change up the angle. Shout out from the Philippines. Hey, mabuhay, bro. I said that right. On the 31st of July, I'm legit dropping you. Nah, you don't need to do that, brother. Oh, fail. Kia ora from Samoa. Hey, brother. Okay, just gotta change the view a bit. I wonder if I change it this way. Oh, that might work. Oh, you alright? Hold on, guys. Love you. She called me Rick, guys. Holy crap, this is already almost flat. Mrs. Brox called me Rick, guys. What happened? Acerus, Furious Fingers, Silver, thank you guys for subbing, didn't have to. Cheer, bro. Cheer, Toad Mother. Okay. Don't usually use a flip. You're wearing a beanie. Oh, it's just to keep my hair clean, bro. It's not that hot. My body's hot, but my head's okay. Have to do so far, mad respect for your work. Void Master. So the most difficult point I've ever done was Spectre. Thanks for the sub as well. You didn't have to. Most difficult piece I have ever done, mainly was because I've done it on my own. Majority of it was Kumete, or treasure books, because my tutor didn't really focus on a few of us as much as others. So what you do, bro? Been smashing that WoW Classic grind, eh? What's up? Yeah, it's on my Instagram, bro. Took me 4 months, and I was trying not to ask for help because I was trying to learn on my own too. That guy, too shy. Yo, Dickie. There was one alpha hammer. Dickie and Farmer John. Thank you very much, guys. It didn't have to. So if anyone's in Tauranga, did you guys go to the Armageddon over the weekend? I wanted to, but I couldn't. I was too busy. Some advice for beginners. Whatever you're gonna carve, look into it. Draw first, and then apply it to the wood. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Whatever art form of carving you venture into, making mistakes helps you learn. Fuck, I did heaps, still do. Yo, Brown Beard, thanks for the sub as well. Didn't have to. Ooh, this is loose. Have you ever played any sports? Yeah. Not in a while. Yo, Jacob, thanks for the follow on Instagram, brother. Yeah, these are looking a bit crooked, but we'll straighten them up. Look, man, yeah, bro. Sometimes I'll just share random art. I think one of my favourite artists outside of the bros, is Dave Greco. He's the man. I'm almost the midget too, brother. Okay, I might change them around. Did you ever play rugby? A long time ago. Not anymore. What did you eat to get big arms like that? Oh, my arms ain't as big as they used to be because I haven't been training much. All-time lurker. Yeah, I reckon your stuff will pop off on Insta, brother.
Get ready for a new playlist.
Get ready for a new playlist.
With new release mix, your mix, and Discover Mix.
No room soon today. Hey, cheer, Jerry.
Play them now in the YouTube Music app.
Duck, join the Discord. There's a art section in there. The beanie's just to keep my hair clean. Or not messy. If you see me wearing a beanie, it's mainly for my hair. Which is pretty much all the time. It's all good though. Joey King, hey, cheer, brother. How long have you even been doing this? What, like this piece here or carving in general? Quartz, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Always rock the hoodie and shorts combo. Same, my bro. Maori men get bald, yeah, anyone gets bald. Guess it all depends on family. If you dye your hair too much, I guess. Now Bear Boy, cheer, brother, welcome. Do you have any questions, brother? Ask away. This iPad will probably turn off soon. Hold on guys, I just want to do this. Pretty crooked. What's the love, brother? Hey, cheer, luck, cool. Cheer, my brother. But yeah, this art form's been around for a long time. It's just a very was just one of our many methods we used as well to pass down our stories, myths and legends. Cheer, lonely boy. Why did you decide to stream it on Twitch? So I've been wood carving since I was 12, and so I've been, right now I'm 28, so that's how long I've been carving for. I mean, it's baby years, but in my opinion. But why did I decide to stream it on Twitch? I mean, we were in lockdown, everyone was inside. One of the main, I'll do it for a few reasons actually. Just for all our people, the Māori people that don't have access to their own culture, be it inside of New Zealand as much as others, but most of all outside of the country, and just to showcase the culture to everyone else in the world too. While we were in lockdown, I mean, it was still a shit time, eh? And just have fun. And geez, I think my biggest worry was hoping people would like it. Carving many hundreds of years with legends and stories. Obviously, they're different styles to the Māori ones, but same concept. Yeah, bro. But even with our people as well, we have many different tribes with their own specific tribal style that they use. So no tribe has the same style of carving, which is one of my favourite parts about it. Sometimes the inspiration can come from like surroundings of their homeland, which yeah, so the tribal styles is one of my favourite aspects about carving. Oh, Hanui from Kahununu, bro. Chew, Boganova. The detail work on you're doing right. Yeah, I'll drop the camera, boy. I mean, I don't want to move the camera just because it's connected to a live unit on the bag. And yeah. So what are the Māori heads generally used for? So these types of carvings, brother, are mainly used to be mounted on the apex of our meeting houses. So they represent the face of our ancestral meeting house. So obviously from that ancestral meeting house, we name our meeting houses after our ancestors. And it's all based on the human anatomy. So obviously the house has a head. And that's what these go onto. Or archways, waharoa is what we call them. But this one is more just a showcase. So we've been had quite a lot of people following in on the journey. Just taking my time, telling a few things here and there. People have grown attached to it as well. Big part of Twitch in the future. Yeah, I hope so too, fans. Not just Māori wood carving, but all types of art, eh? That's why I'm really starting to watch more art streams these days. I mean, I still watch game ones, but only like a select few streamers now. I'm just glad I got to contribute in that. Yeah, cheer, brother, mahalo. You're an anime fan? Yes, I am a man of culture. Oh, God damn. Yeah, sorry guys, I just had to change the view up just for myself, just so I get the angles right. I'll look back at the chat soon. I just wanna, just so we're not stuck on one thing for too long. Kia ora from Palmy. Hey, cheer, brother. Will you stream games? Yeah, bro. Just when I'm ready. Te hera mana. Tēnā koe, bro. You watch Dragon Ball Super? Yeah, but not anymore, though. I know it's finished now. Yeah. catch one of your streams. Hey, Lani and Maya, welcome. So I'm just cleaning up the wall. It's not looking too bad. Damn it, silent mode activated, a new boss has entered the room. Okay, I think this thing just turned off, so we'll have to switch it up. Oh no, still on.
That's right. Soon it knows. Do you remember if you said you did?
Okay. Let's smash this up, guys. Favorite anime? That's hard, eh? Because I've watched a few. Not many, though, compared to others. There's just so many. I would say the current one I'm enjoying right now is Fire Force. Because obviously all of us are still waiting for bloody Mugen Train to come out. Yeah, I like Leonard Burns from Fire Force. It wasn't midnight for me to start your stream in the good morning, but I am planning on waking up earlier to watch more. The Xboxer, bro, there's always the VODs, my brother, which I hope will help out too. Yeah, I watch My Hero as well, brother. Like, I'm a big fan of All Might from the series. And I will not watch Naruto ever again because that shit was long. Who's everyone's favourite Naruto character though? I want to see if anyone knows of the character I'm going to tell you who I like. Other than Hashirama. Oh, bro, dude. I haven't been to the gym in a long time, brother. Just been busy. I used to powerlift back in the day, but not for long though. It got boring. Doing the same thing. Obito. Oh, we got 2 Obitos in the chat. Alisk, thank you very much, brother. I was more of a Beyblade kid, bro. Tyson, eh? Jiraiya heads down. Sure. Pretty plus ultra of you there, bro. Cheers, brother. You wanna know why I am here? I would dead ass buy one of your carvings for my house. Cassie, thank you very much for the sub. You didn't have to. It's coming, mate. It's coming. You missed the hydrate. Damn, did I? Yeah, I was a fan of Beyblades too. Did I? Jiraiya's trash. Oh, I actually like Jiraiya. He was cool. But my favourite characters were Hashirama and Sasuke Sarutobi. Where Sasuke actually got his name from. He was one of my favourites too. Not really into the edgelord characters like Sasuke. Hello. How are you? That's good. Let you carve me a car. No, I can't do that. Oh, did I miss a hydrate? My bad. Oh, our speaker's flat. Okay, I'll chuck that on the charger. Fake puns. Oh yeah. Okay. Let me just put the speaker on the charger. Damn thing. Oh, I just turned it off. My bad. Hang on, guys. Monazi Hati. Hang on, guys. Just Oh, who's that? Don't do that. Oh my god. Oh, Nem. That was you on both there? Oh, come on, bro. Bloody hell, Nem. And another hydrate from JT. Holy shit, brother. Just make sure you're looking after yourself, eh? Don't forget about you too, mate. Discord. Holy shit, my bro. Didn't have to, my bro. Yeah, mean weather today. Sorry guys, I'm just... Bro, Nam, thank you very much, man. Holy crap. Jeez, this is taking... Yeah, I think my phone's on its way out too, because it takes hella long to load. Can't connect. There we go. Hold on, guys. Touch. There you go. Damn, bro. Damn. Come on, brother. That's a lot, brother. Holy shit. You're making me all cold, man. Oh shit, JT, sorry. Too much porn, my dude, man. I got a missus, so I know you give that porn route, brother. I don't need porn. What 5 you even asked that? Get a girlfriend. Oh yeah. Charisma. Reading solo leveling, I swear you will not regret it. Sounds like what I do in WoW. Sam Tador Gaming, thanks for subbing, man. Didn't have to. Dark mods as well. Thank you, man. Oh, come on. Angels. Jesus, guys. Hold on, I'll just pop these out, then I will carry on. Usually, when carving, one thing you shouldn't do is push. Because it fucks up your it's kind of like carpal tunnel. Well, it is carpal tunnel, really. Just from push cleaning too much. But epics are so bound. Yeah, I've heard of alien weaponry, brother. Can't play them, eh? Licensed. It's all good though. I mean, I'm not really a fan of heavy metal, but yeah, good on them though. They're cracking it. Why are you just rocking the Kobe? Do you watch basketball? Oh, I watch it here and there, but yeah. Legend wearing a Legends jersey? Oh, I'm not a legend, but not compared to Kobe anyway. He's just one of those players I grew up watching on NBA through the 90s as a kid, right alongside Michael Jordan as well. So, yeah, bumping some gangster tunes. Oh, DJ Spellbrother, I love his remixes there. Demonic Fox and 3 Deep. Thank you guys, the nifty. An update song, we'll hop on the phone until it's finished. Oh, all good, Marlon. No rush, brother. Rolling down the streets of Kaiti. Haha! Someone net TV. Oh shit, brother. Thank you, man. You didn't have to do that. There it is, Otter. How often do people tell you your voice sounds like Cork? Every day, every stream. But it's okay, because they're allowed. Same with you, brother. Cheers, 3 Deep. Cheers, brother. Definitely will, man. Never stop being positive. Never will, to be honest. There are things that piss me off. You would have seen last week as well. There you go, all good. Fella's probably watching right now, that clown.
Yes, sir.
Damn, I wish donations were open. Sorry, brother. Yeah, not anytime soon. Portable clamp similar to that one. But my question is, pretty stable and doesn't move around a lot. No, yeah, it's all good. Sweet as, brother. Cheer my G. You teach carving anyway? Here. Twitch. Try to. But what you need to understand, bro, is this moldy wood carving, bro. Yeah. Why can't I donate? Because I said... Nah, these aren't no donation link, man, so don't worry about it. Just come watch.
Spell.
Just, there's no donation link. Haha. Just like spelling. You like gorillas? Not anymore. Make an appearance today. We got no apples, brother. Beauty Cole. Let me guess, you can watch for free. You know it. It's starting to look and say, oh, cheer, brother. When's Rock's hopping on stream? Never know. Might be tonight, might be tomorrow. Panoramic view. Let's put those guns in there. Go on. I'm guessing just the boss is gone now. Very cool. Yep, more than welcome to come watch for free, mate. watching my G. Oh, this chat hard. You're part of it, crazy. Can I pay to watch? Nah. What in a cook? Hey, your daddy. Up to my G. Cheer your daddy. How you? Your daddy. Never change that name, brother.
Leave no music behind.
Oh,
Listen
the
to your favorite
ads.
playlists, albums, and tracks anywhere, anytime.
How long you stream for today? I don't know, till I get hungry or till I get a sore
Search your
back.
free trial today.
And that's just me being honest. Corsair, thanks for the sub as well. Did an FT, Wi-Fi crashed. Whoa, it's not mine for once. Tricep meat. Fuck you. Why are you so nice? Because I taste good. I don't know. It's just me. This is me. How long have you been working on this piece for? Honestly, bro, I lost track of time. Sorry about the lawnmowers too across the road. My back sore this squat position. Well, not squat position. This is terrible form, to be honest. Wait, this is bloody 50. Watch you from the Ruta in the shops. Oh no. True. Fellas using the free Wi-Fi. Do you do anything for the sore back? You just roll it out. I just forgot to roll it out before I started. Just push the chicks while they're in there. Have you injured yourself carving? No, not at all. I think the baddest injury I've ever gotten is like a small splinter, but yeah, you just rip it out. Got caught watching you at work. Follow Dweebo. Do your work, brother. All good.
Yeah.
Fuck, I don't even know if I can play this.
Okay, I'm a celebrity, so that means my line has to cost $10 a t-shirt. No, I understand about quality. I understand about...
Where are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother.
I've dedicated my life to this. And a lot of people say, okay, well, you know, music. I'm going to keep doing music, but what if people told me I couldn't rap? What would happen? What if people told me I couldn't perform? I'm only 36 years old. I have other goals.
I don't really have much music on my phone, so I gotta use SoundCloud. I'm not using Spotify anymore. Need your feedback? Yeah, all good, bro. I'm always keen to see your art, brother. Anyone's way better than I am at that kind of stuff. Does it smell? What? What smells? Don't know what you mean, bro. Where did you learn this? From my uncle. Are you an All Blacks fan? I most definitely am, because I live in Aotearoa, New Zealand, and they're our rugby team. That won the first World Cup and 2 more World Cups in a row. So yeah, I'm a fan. Hope that answered your question, my G. Kid Bet, why the face? visited my friend in his new house. He told me to make myself at home, so I threw him out. I hate having visitors. Are you a Warriors fan? Hell no. No, I stopped watching NRL when JT finished. He's my favourite. I only watch League when Origin's on now, brother. Faker! Toxic game in the least toxic stream. Yeah, I started playing League again. So yeah, man, nothing's changed in that game, eh? Like, nothing. This dude super talented. Oh, I'm alright, Kickbit. I'm average. Yeah, man. The game has not changed one bit. Oh, I mean, the game has. The people that play it. Oh, this mower, man. Sorry, guys. Has anyone ever told you sound like cool? Yeah, bro. Turn on donations. We want to support you. One day, Bandit. One day. Try Dota 2 for quality toxicity. Yeah, that's why I love WoW, man. No one's as toxic as other games. I mean, you do come across the odd bloody tomato in there. The old rotten egg. Well, most of the time, yeah. It's like I was tanking one night, and the healer, he wasn't that good, but I mean, he kept me alive. There was this mage mouthing off. So I just DM'd him and don't worry about it. Just focus on keeping me alive. We can get through. And yeah, he started doing well. Forgot his name, but yeah, he was cool. Donate your chill vibes to the spirit bomb, yo. Toxic players are honestly part of the fun, I think. Oh no, I don't like them, eh? Yeah, annoying. After a long day of work. Oh, cheers, Dweebo. Oh. I think it's a good little mini game to play while I stream. Oh god, a gaming recorder. Dweebo, I haven't yet, bro. I've just been too busy, but yeah. Usually once the stream finishes, I do a few things. But most of all, it's just family. Oh god. Oh god. Corsair. Oh bro, what are you doing? Oh my god. Brother, thank you. You didn't have to do that though, brother. Holy crap, Marinos. Yo, anonymous cheer too. Thanks, brother. Hold on, I gotta text mum. Down, 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 down. Okay, let's finish this. Seems we're talking quite a lot today. But what else is new, eh? It's good to talk. Have to go, Broxy. Oh, all good, I read. Keep on. Cheer, bud. Oh. Anybody down, 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 down. Need to get you invincible. Oh, bro. I haven't even tried lately, brother, but I'll definitely have a go tonight. You ready? See. Sending love from... Ooh, I don't know how to say that. I don't want to say it wrong either, brother. Sorry. Broxa. Yeah, bro. Broxa's the man. I used to watch LCS. I don't anymore. But yeah. He's a badass jungler, man. Straight up. He plays for Team Liquid now, eh? Am I right? I don't even know if he's still in NA. Yeah, that new League of Legends cinematic got me back into the game, eh? Back into the trip. King Car. Oh, thanks, brother. You didn't have to give that, my bro. Is this music okay? Yeah, League of Legends said you can play their music. Well, if it isn't, feels bad, man. Oh, we got another hydrate. I gotta refill my water because it tastes like plastic. Now when water sits in your bottle too long. Be back soon. Okay, let's have a break, eh? Hello from the greatest state of Washington. Hello. No. I hate the Alliance. What even is this song? Worlds collide. True. Okay, let's have a breaking. Take a swig. Yeah, I have to hit up the break because I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this. I'll hit up the bag, bro. A pretty full guy. Oh, pretty fly guy? Too, bro. Yo, Shadow Blitz, thanks for the Twitch Prime breather. Didn't have to. Had a boy for the Horde. Yeah, you know it, brother. Alright, I gotta go. Oh, good, bro. You have a good one. But I'm happy I made this one. Cheers, Charms. How you been? Dicker. Nah, I don't have a PO box, brother. Just for that reason, bro, I just don't really want anyone to send anything. Like, just look after yourselves, I'll be fine. Big love for League, true. Thank you, Power Tractor. Cheer, brother. My granddad did a lot of research on our family tree a few years back. He found out we were to the Cameron on the Maori side. English settlers on the other side. It was pretty interesting. Nice, Mad General. Do you know where your ancestors from, brother? Oh, God. Vinyl recording. Thank you very much, man. Didn't have to, brother. Congrats, bro. I think so. James Segar? Do your first well stream. I want to see it from the start. All good, Fanta. Yeah, I'll probably test on my other Twitch account. This one that I use just to check if everything's going right. Take a shower. Big gotta take a shower. What's this version? This was a good song, eh? Whew, getting cold now, I'm working. Need some warning before the WoW stream. Oh, bro, I'm not even that good at WoW, eh? But, yeah, I'll give it a go. Don't pet. No, it's just my beanie to keep my hand clean. Steph Cook, thanks for the sub as well, brother. Didn't have to. Yeah, just having a little break. Georgie boy, thanks for the sub as well. If you're new, you don't have to. Just come and watch. Trunks. Hello, Junie Malabo. Cheers, brother. Good luck with Mrs. Brooks. Are your arms pushing on? Nah, bro, she don't even care. For the sake of your pure, please don't travel to the US. I don't plan on traveling there anytime soon, man. Not gonna lie, main reason being your guys' police forces, eh? I reckon they're like the biggest gang in your fella's country right now. Mr. Georgie boy, thanks for doing the subs, guys. You don't have to, you can just watch. Okay, one more minute and we'll get back into it. Do you train? Not that much. Yeah. What you gonna do? Let's see what you've got so far. Okay, soon. One more minute. Is it hot in NZ? Not really. Brooks is jacked. Is this jacked? Katipai here. Katipai, Denator, brother. You play League of Legends? Sadly, yes I do again. After seeing that Yasuo clip, yeah, I decided to play it again. My cousin gifted me Spirit Blossom Yasuo, that pack. Because he knew I wanted to start playing Yasuo, because it looked cool. Yeah. What happens if you mess up the carving? You carry on. Don't make mistakes, you make adjustments. Ben Grimshaw, just keep playing. I didn't start streaming for views and whatnot, bro. I just done it just to share. That was it. Do you speak any Spanish? Are you playing Classic? I was, but I'm having more fun on retail now. How tall are you? You know? That tall. Found this channel, I started streaming just for fun, but found so many others.
Anywhere, anytime. upgrade to
Yeah, you
SoundCloud
just
Go
stream
to get
for
on
fun.
Listen.
That's all you have to do.
Start your free trial today.
Okay, let's get back to it. Let's go. What's up, brother? Hope you're doing well. Cheers, King Donkey. Yeah, all good, brother. Oh, come on, Shujin. Shujin Roshi, chill, brother. Didn't have to do that, my bro. Because I was trying to decide whether to bloody decide whether to buy GTA RP or just get Halo. I think I want to get Halo. Do you stream every day? I try to, man, like Monday to Friday. If something comes up with my family, I'll stop everything for that. Just got 2 more left, I'll pop them out and do the other row. Yeah, I may not stream too long today because my beautiful niece is in town. So she was the one that was born on the same day as my daughter, and I hardly get to see her. She's just in town at the moment, but she'll be back soon. Options live or die. I've got a spare Halo 3K. No, you keep it. You keep it. I think my favourite Halo was Halo Reach. I was looking at it last night. I don't have an Xbox, so lucky I can play it on PC. Because I'm obviously PlayStation. PlayStation. Ignite. Is this row done? And listen, he's coming out your way. See all the Method boys got their new guild, eh? Echo. Good on them. Hope they smash it. Got a spare one. Oh, bloody hell, brother. It's this Jinx. I hate Jinx. Today. Play CSGO or Valorant? Nah, I played Valorant. I didn't even like it, but meh. But everyone's walking around, creeping corners and not going Rambo. I'm all about going, running in and just trying to massacre everyone. Which doesn't work most of the time. What do you mean? Well, so through Legion, bro, I made Warrior, Fury Warrior. At the moment, I'm playing Enhanced. I'm having fun with that class. Taking it through a few raids with the Brother Panda. Dweebo. You didn't have to do that, brother. I bought it for my damn cat on the roof. So I'll drop you to... Yeah, I'm gonna DM you in a bit. Yeah, my bro Marlo, you didn't have to. Dweebo, thank you very much. And play my flute now. Not normally the music I play, but whatever. How long can I enjoy a stream for? As long as you want. It's up to you, my bro, not me. What do you mean, how long am I on for? Oh, Yizzo, let's go. Hey, chill, brother. Thank you, man, you didn't have to. What does chew whānau mean, brother? So chew means hello, it's NZ slang. And whānau means family in Māori language. That's all, my bro. That's all it means. Okay, so let's prep this other line now. Do the outer one now, so got two more to do. I don't think baby's gonna be back just yet. Have you played Arkham games? That Batman? Hey brother. Oh, Prophecy Ginger. Shoot brother, didn't have to do that my bro. But thank you. Looks amazing, but hey, thanks bro for getting there. Oh, this music's just too much for me. We already listened to that. Now we'll play this. Hey, Makahe, Chirikazi Squid. Mr. Carmen Maiwaha. Hey, you my cast. Oh, chew, cousin. Chew, my cousin. Shit, you didn't have to do that, cousin. Just about to come and talk. Fuck you. But I couldn't find that bloody thing on their Discord, eh? Hope you're good, cuzzy. You're in your training too. Yeah, give the Cuzzy Squared in HD a follow. His bloody humour was made for GTA RP. Your clear coat or finish? Yeah, I'm Dweebo, so I'll probably put on linseed oil, brother. Should have just done this, eh? Oh. Scripty. Ah, all good, cuz no wash. You do your fasting and that's more important. I still gotta get all the stuff ready for this Bob Ross stream.
decline. When that damage your genetic is fine, please don't act out, I ain't surprised. They be like, what you mean? What is your winning scheme? I got a great team. Niggas my self-esteem.
I thought on Yane, whose thoughts on that? Yeah, Yane looks pretty cool, eh? I mean, he matches up perfectly with Yasuo. I like it when he finishes that demon off, eh? Thado! Boom! Yone, sorry. Katipai, Katipai. Ah, Dika, Katipai, brother. Thank you, my bro. Jericho. Jericho. It's the correct way to pronounce Brox. I just done it. Brox, huh? No, the H is just there to fill out because the OG, or the name without the underscores taken. And that guy contacted me too. I was like, oh, chill, brother. Brox the original. He just asked me how I got my name. He told me how he got his name. I was like, oh, chill, brother. That's pretty buzzy. To your nose. Oh yeah, I heard these COVID tests are something else, eh? Oh, does someone redeem a hair flick? I can't even see them, eh? What's up with that? Oh, Horseman, thank you very much for the sub too, brother. Did you ask for the name? No, he just randomly messaged me. Still reckon Nacho was okay? Yeah, cuz. Did you ask for the name? Nah. You just messaged me asking how I got it. Okay. It was all good. I don't really aspire to try and get the original name. Just the name I got. Okay, here we go. I haven't even washed my hair. Oh, it feels good to take it up. Spending it all on KFC. So what are you looking over there, man? Oh, all good, brother. Yes, yes. Okay, here we go. Have you gotten a new computer? Yeah, bro. The one Panda sent over. Might leave it out for a bit, let it breathe before I wash it. Man, dude, thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. Can watch for free. Probably getting off at your ear. Yeah, probably, cuz. So good though. Oh my. So much trouble in the world. Fucking leaf blower bullshit. Got a bounce, brother. Dropped you a DM. All good, brother. Didn't have to, but thank you, brother. Pew Pew John, thank you for subbing. If you're new here, you didn't have to, brother. And the veteran gamer, thank you for the biddies as well. Once again, you can watch for free. Check, cause it's good. Yeah, all good. pretty much the first day I watched you, cuz when you when you were drunk, when you did your Wookiee sounds, when people followed you, they pretty much made me wanna give streaming a go because it's entertaining. We living in Te Takapuna. Nah, bro. Te arawa. Oh, bro, I love Jenny. I love his theme song. Just the way he is, me drunk never. I remembered, oh, someone followed. It's a bloody good time. Okay, it's in the way, so I'm gonna tie it up. Also, music. Oh, too, brother, just you running out of music to play. That's all it is, really. Some family in New Zealand. I'm finally to meet them. Oh, joke. Wookiee sounds is so hot. Can do it all too well. Going sober for the next 6 weeks, cause you're in the gym fasting, keto, good week. Nice, brother. Me and my kids. Jeez, that'll be different. No coke and Jimmy's. Good on you though, cuz. Mean. See you whacking out that Stairmaster too. Okay. G'day, bro. Keep up the great work. Lately, congrats on the races. Only more to come. Oh, Oz Dragon too, brother. Thank you, bro. You didn't have to do that though, brother, but I really appreciate it, my bro. And your kind words as well. I smashed the Jimmy's back in 6 weeks. Probably one sniff, eh, cousin? Wasted. Always been a fan of Jin's theme song. Can only imagine. Quality corridors with you and Fante. What are you working on? So, do you know any sign language? No, brother. Other than Sig, Yo, the world. Yeah. Sorry, brother. So what I'm working on, brother, is Feku, which is a mask. We have many different variations of a face, from the current one to one of others, like the Ruru, which resembles the owl, which is a sacred bird as well. The human carving like human-like faces did not come into being until the missionaries turned up. I think that's part of the reason why I don't carve them much. Because they're not Māori. Mr. Ice Cube Extend. Hey, chew, brother. Didn't have to do that, my boy. But thank you. Oh, someone's car's not going. Your woodworking skill is so good. Shinderman. It's average, man. Yeah, it's not where I want it to be. Not gonna lie, I'm my own worst critic, but that's just how I am. Purity, welcome, man. Dale, thanks for subbing. You didn't have to. Was that gin theme? Yeah, bro. I buzzed out when I seen one of my mains in the cinematic too. Hold on, guys. Jin from Tekken. Nah, bro, from League of Legends, brother. He's a AD carry, so a ranged character, and he's a psychopath serial killer. Who just happens to be one of my favourite ADCs. Jake from State Nothing, thank you very much, brother. Didn't have to, brother. What's the process like getting a Tamoko? Depends what you mean. Like, do you want to get one now? Best thing you can do is get in contact with the Tamoko artist. Stuck in my parents' house while I hate my job and myself every day. Appreciate your attitude and your spirit. Well, Cabbage Fire, put it this way, bro. Sometimes we have to do the shit we hate to get what we want. I mean, there was stuff I was doing and I was not enjoying it. But just think about the bigger picture. Like, set yourself a goal. Yeah, it sucks when you go through a breakup. But all you have to do now is focus on yourself, bro. And don't go back. That's what I would say. An ex becomes an ex for a reason, so don't go back to them. I mean, I'm still young, bro, so I can't really say much, but that's what I would do. Focus on myself. You want some fuck? Cheer, brother, for the sun. You didn't have to. Interesting name, my man. Great work on... Cheer, Master King. Cheer, brother. How old am I? I'm 28. Haven't even lived a life yet. Yeah, that's what I do. Focus on myself. I stole it. Oh, God. Stolen Goose, brother. Thank you for the sub. And then Dale. Oh, God. Up to you, brother. Fucking hell, Dale. Thank you, man. Didn't have to. You just make sure you got enough for you, brother. Support you and yourself first. What's this one? Who's this champion? Oh, what happened? Skip. Skip. Okay, we're getting into bootleg songs now, so we'll just leave it off for now. Listen to the solitary sounds of my voice. Yeah, not a fan of them bootleg songs, eh? How did you get into wood carving? I was introduced to me by my uncle. He's a traditional Māori wood carver as well. We all mould from a hidden phone at me. Fuck you. Do you like Set? Yeah, definitely interested in playing him. I just like the way he plays as well. I mean, who doesn't love power slamming someone into the ground? I'm a fan of like heroes that don't use weapons as well, just their fists. Just smack someone up. Do you have a SoundCloud playlist? Nah, bro. I should really make one, eh? Does your partner have one? We'll play his stuff. So sorry tonight. So sorry tonight. Good night, bro. Have a great stream. Cheers. Activities, Jeffa Cakes. Thanks for being here, brother. I appreciate it. And you have a good sleep too. You sound like Korg. Yes, every day, brother. That's all good. We don't say that name around here. No, that's what he says, eh? Oh. Feel. He has 2 songs on at the moment. Oh, you? I gotta link him up. Where can you find your past designs? On Instagram, brother. ! Socials. That's where you'll find them, brother. Hold on, I'll just do this. Get some of these out of the way. There we go. And then we can fix them up one by one. I'm getting hungry. Anyone else indulging while they watch? There we go. SoundCloud. It's loading up the Bruce SoundCloud. Feel my stomach start caving. Oh damn. Oh, I'll do it soon. Sorry, brother. You heard of the Polynesian god named Galton? He takes a heavy toll on the foot. Wish I could sub, but I'm not old enough yet. Sorry. That one boy. Don't worry about subbing. You can watch. It's all good, man. God, so sweet tonight. So sweet tonight to time. Just trying to look for some songs, eh? Just put it close there. Chicken and celery, brother. Ooh. Our brothers. Oh. Let's get this done, eh? Means no worries. Can we see what it looks like as of now? Yeah, I'll just do this row first, bro. It's better just to do it now since it's like this. So we don't have to readjust it. Time, movement waste, if you will. And I just want to get it done for myself. Sorry, brother. Kia ora, yo. Oh, sorry, bro. I don't get into gangs. It's not my thing. Kia ora, though. My summer school is almost over. Gee, too much, brother. When did you learn carving? When I was 12. Back in school. I've been doing it ever since, man. Don't want to do anything else, to be honest. Pretty happy doing this. Even if I got no job, or I have one, I have done it with no job. It's just what I love to do, brother. I'll say that. The only thing I want to be doing, whether it be through Twitch or or anything really. Okay, let me just go and go to the toilet. Woo! Okay, let's go. Fuck, I love Mr. Pandaria. I named, so I made a Panda Warrior last night, just to learn how to play prop. And I named them after two of the most renowned pandas ever. Two of the most god tier pandas ever. Mako is taken. If I wasn't doing this on stream, I would say 4 days, maybe less. Tomatoes TV. Thank you for the sub, brother. If you're new here, bro, you don't have to. That was snot. What is this crap? The bootleg songs, eh? No, can't play Shofu, get banned. How did you get the scar on your face? So my cousin scratched me while we were fighting, so I just punched him in the face. We just laugh about it now. Back when we were little. Yeah, soft there, you scratch. I punched you in the face. Stupid Flanders, thank you very much, man. If you're new here, just remember, you don't have to sub. You can watch for free. Yeah, we just laugh about it now. He goes, but I won the fight. You didn't win, you were crying after I punched you. Can we see the carving fully, please? After this row, bro, I just want to get this done. Even if we can't get this thing done today, at least we're closing in on the finish line. KCS Blogs, thanks for subbing. Didn't have to. Cabbage Fire. Oh, I don't know, man. I mean, we got a good community. That's something I'm happy about. Let's just say it's not as bad as others. I mean, I don't go out looking for toxic communities, but you know, we're just here to chill, talk about anime, games, anything, carving most of the time. A normal way to split apples. Yeah. Rugby. Oh, thanks, Frosty Freeze. Cheer, my brother. Loving the vibe content. How's your day been? Angela, welcome, man. Do you have a patron? Nah, bro. I don't want too much stuff to keep track of. Instagram and Twitter are more than enough, and YouTube. My god, that's bloody hard to keep track of 3. Yeah. Oh, did someone... Why don't I see these redeems? Is it because it's on this mode where I can't see them? Hey, Nolly Quinn. Thank you, didn't have to. Yo, did you catch the... Nah, I didn't watch UFC. Kaya koe roto... Kaya kanoho koe I roto rua. Kāre te tino hia ki te... Whakātu I te era ki te hunga mā taki. What is your favourite anime? Oh jeez, that's a bloody hard one. I'll just say My Hero. It's the one I enjoy the most. Tēnā koe Lili. Super Hands, thank you for subbing. You didn't have to. You know you can watch for free. The closer I get to you. Slevin, thoughts on SAO? No idea what that is, brother. Is that an anime? Slevin, thanks for the sub. You didn't have to, brother. Ever play Holy Knight? I'm carving the main character right now. True, brother, you should join the Discord and show us. Don't tell us. But, nice, brother. We can sub for free too. Still, man. Yeah, you know. Yeah, I know Twitch Primes are free, but I don't know, I just feel like watch for free. Bruno, hello from New Zealand. That's where I am. Sorry. Cheer, brother. It's Discord time. Oh god, please don't ban me. What did you do? The socials, guys. I'm from America, but I love the Māori culture. The dude, Robert. Hey, brother. Yeah, let's get these clean, eh? I'm just gonna try and focus on doing a few of these, then I'll come back to the chat. Where did you get your name from? Broxigar. The most OP character in all the Horde, right across to the Alliance as well, because no one's as badass as him. Nice muscles. Nice muscles. No muscles at all, my man. Nice muscles. Get to the gym and get the bump. You're the man. King Julian, you're the man. What's your main in League of Legends? Oh, bro. It's Ornn, brother. And Volibear, Galio. I've just started learning Yasuo because of their bloody cinematic. It's so good, eh? May I know your real name, sir? Rocky Sapphire. Get to the chopper so we can get directly to the gym and get the bump. You're pretty jacked. Nah, I'm just fat. Yeah. What rank are you in love? Nah, I'm still leveling, brother. I only placed in S1. This was like shit, long time ago. And I stopped playing it just because how great the player base is in that game. But you know, I forgot the details to my other account, so I'm starting again. He's as tall as the smallest giant. Yo, Val, don't think so, the song, brother. Didn't have to. Oh, my niece is back. Okay, we'll get this road done there and I'll show you what we've done. We'll go for a few more minutes. She's probably asleep. Is she asleep? Damn. Your nationality? I am Māori. I mean, Māori's a more recent word, eh? Just to put us all into one category. In days of old, we actually introduced ourselves by our tribal names. So if it was in today's society, I would say, Kia ora, my name is Brooks. I am Tūhoi. That's how it was done traditionally. But yeah, it's like any other system, eh? On the greatness of the League of Legends players. How old is your niece? She's the same age as my daughter. They were born on the same day. That's dope, my dude. Cheers, brother. First time and I'm loving it. Hey, welcome, Dark Wizard. You shall not pass. Every time I hear wizard, I picture that. So, I've seen, since I can't get the original pops I wanted for the giveaway, I saw a Goku Great Ape one. Would anyone be keen on that? Because I'm going out of town this weekend too, just to do a bit of shopping for baby's birthday. And I'm gonna go check out EB Games as well. I checked out Mighty Ape too, but yeah. Where did I learn to do wood carving? Back in primary school, brother. That's all good. With my uncle, who is still carving today. So this is an art form that's been passed down through the ages, brother, through the generations. There was one point where they made it illegal for us to obviously speak our own language, which was, and any other practices we did in our culture called the Tohunga Suppression Act. Are you self-taught? Hell no. Have you gotten injured ever while carving? Nope. If a little splinter, bro, there counts. EB Games and NZ. Yeah, bro. Any backstory on your username? Well, I'm a carver, but I'm shit at coming up with names. So, just dedicated me IGN to my favourite WoW character. Saved the hassle of thinking of something. BROX was taken, so I just added a H. That was taken. Added an underscore. We were in the money from there. No big history on it. Harlan, Nuke, and the Raiding Medic. Oh, you guys didn't have to give bits, man. You can watch for free. But thank you. Yeah, how you grade 8 as far 3 days? I'll go into town and go and get it then. That'll be one of our pops for the giveaway. Then get to EB and it's not there anymore. I saw one of a Hammond one too from Overwatch. It's that little gerbil looking thing. I actually played him a little bit too before I stopped playing Overwatch. Fury and Dick live? Sure, brother. Shit, sorry, my bro. Is it possible to buy any of your work? Will be soon, brother. But what I'm gonna do is obviously commissions, and I'm gonna do it on stream so you can, so whoever buys it can see it being made. Seems like a good way to do it. What do you reckon, guys? Let me know. Sorry it's taking so long too, guys. I'll just, you know me, hit the camera, take my time. Bloody hell. That one boy, yeah, no man, I saw your comment saying that the last time, but just come and watch. Okay. I might turn it down a bit. How much would you ask for a Plague Doctor commission? So I only carve traditional Māori wood carvings, brother. Sorry, my man. How many carvings have you done? Oh, I don't really keep track of how many I've done. You just don't really go for numbers. I've done quite a few, you just forget how many. Yeah, that one boy. I've seen it before. I've seen you say that before. Careful, man. Try not to spam the same comment. Otherwise, you will attract the attentions of the mods. And they'll slap that green sword on your Twitch account, brother. They'll Wingardium Leviosa. Start my morning off. Hey, sick Mick. Morning, brother. Okay, I'll just move this back. Oh, yeah, bro. Expecto Patronum, you brother. I don't think anyone wants that. Well, I don't want you to get banned because you're not an egg. Just spamming my guy. Hold on, guys. Sorry, I'm covering. What's the green sword mean? Mod. D-Biscop. Thanks for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. Sneaker Raptor. Sorry, I couldn't be more. Doesn't matter, bro. Shit going on in the world. It's all good, bro. You could have said that without the bits. All good. Good to see the chat chill right now. Yeah, it's been pretty good today. I mean, we're pretty much good every day. You get the old rotten egg in here now and again. But they're pretty much banished to the Shadowlands straight away. The Shadow Realm, if you will. Hold on, guys. Okay, what I want you to do is spam hello in-laws because they're watching right now in the lounge with Mrs. Brooks. Spam boys. Is it harder to carve into that or is it softer wood? It is soft, bro. I just need to give myself a whetstone. Just do little touch-ups here and there. Just sharpen my chisels. Because I can feel it getting blunt as we carry on. Hello, in-laws. Are you still watching? Those hellos are for you guys. Shout out my Instagram. Okay, we'll do this. There we go. Love that pop. Then we'll even this out. And then drop it in. Even up the back. Only hands. Sorry? There we go. Do you have a YouTube? Yeah, brother. Kia ora to the outlaws. Oh, sorry. Let's put this bug out. Cheer lyrics, Nudgin. Cheer, man. Okay, let's show it for those ones that were asking. I'll move it back a bit. Let me come and have a look with Jess, even though I know it's not that great. Getting there, getting there. So we've got one more row to do of pakotis, which is on the side here. Well, they just need to be cleaned, I think. And then there's a little row underneath. And then we're up here, moulding this fella. And then once that's done, we'll clean the entire thing. And then we'll stain them. May not be today, maybe tomorrow. Or the next day. Or the next day. Orc Warlock, thank you very much, brother. Do you own power? Oh, bro, I don't have the machines to do it. I must ask some of the bros if they can. Dweebo, oh, true, Dweebo. Oh, yeah, it's average to me. Could be better. Could be better, mate. Could be better. Does this guy smoke weed? No, I don't. I don't, brother. Waste of time. Hold on. 100 out of 10. Yeah. Okay, what do we need to do? Oh, yeah, these are almost done, these ones. Sure, I'll just do this middle line then. Average. Far there, Bebo riding though, Dweebo. I'll just do this last row. Hard and fast. Hold on guys, let's get a chisel. 10 o'clock start was quite good, I must say. 7. Okay, I'll just do this. Ooh, not the best wood because there's a split going right down the middle. Do you watch UFC? A little bit. Not really. I only watch Izzy. Do you find the park in your area supportive of what you do? People in the area where I am don't really know what I do. I mean, everyone's supportive in the chat, that's kind of all that matters. And receiving emails about it as well. So I guess so, everyone likes it. I mean, you will get those haters that will hate exactly what I'm doing. Or just use what I'm doing as clout to just try and bolster what they want to do. People that do that, I swear, micro penis. Just saying. It's like they're clown on YouTube. You only carve traditional. Is there anything surf related? No, we don't carve surfboards, brother. I mean, if I had the resources, I would try and carve a surfboard and incorporate Māori designs and whatnot. But, man, that'll take a lot of time, eh? Even moulding. I mean, have you seen Surf Sub? I literally cried at that video on YouTube. Oh, cheers, Side of the Lord. Welcome. What's that video, brother? Bet you that guy that's robbing my videos for his YouTube's watching right now. Come on, man. That's enough about him anyway. Oh, the wood's not too great here. What are you pogging for? Oh crap, that's why. Yo, Puppy Joe. Thanks for the subs, brother. Shit, why you do that, man? You didn't have to. Yeah, I've seen Surf Sub. Kia ora tonu koe. Kia ora tonu koe. Hello, Savitar. Cheer, brother. Do you watch anime? Yeah, bro. Okay, let's just cut these last ones out. The wood down the bottom here is quite crap. I met this fella that used to carve surfboards, Finn's Chew. Someone surfboards. Well, that's me. You're the day. Okay. Awesome. Okay, I'll just flatten out the bottom. Sorry, you can't see it. It's not much to look at though. The wood down here is very brittle due to there being a split right down the middle of the actual design that I'm carving. Very unfortunate, but very easy to overcome as well. And that was a tui. A native bellbird that just flew past, squeaking at me. So I've just got 2 more to do and then I'll come back to the chat. Sorry if I'm missing your comments. Just want to try and get this out the way. There we go. What the hell? Big F Lando, Oh, come on, brother. Thanks for the bits, my bro. You didn't have to. Shiitake mushrooms, brother. What do you do with the wood splits? You can fill them with PVA if you want. I might just do that before I I should have done that ages ago, to be honest, but new splits developed as we were moving along. Just a little more. Sneaker Raptor. Sure, man. Didn't have to, brother. Okay. Yeah, I still gotta cut these ones out on the side. We'll do it now, eh? Wait, is she awake? Let me check. Head up. Oh well. Still asleep. Ovo Geordie. Oh, chew, brother, for the sub. Didn't have to, my bro. Do you have any more plans for another walkabout stream? Yeah. I want to do the redwoods here. Went there the other day. I hope that the connection to the bag can hold under the canopy of trees. Would be really helpful if it can. Hold on, guys. But yeah, that's the next walk I want to do. You'll hear a lot of heavy breathing. Be the wind, not me. Okay. How many kids do you have? I have 5. Nice. I've got one with another one on the way. Tased Ginger. What's your favourite? My Hero, brother. Interesting name, my man. Is very satisfying to watch. Cheers from Portugal. Hey, Fuzzy Manatee. Cheers, man. So I'm just checking over them. Yeah, I gotta fix these ones up. Jeez, these are bloody shocking. We must have started these last stream. 3 birds. Another girl, brother. Could it be that most used colour in your tradition is red, white and black, brother? Not Masake, thank you very much. Okay, yeah. Oh, they're getting ready to go. So the reason why we use red, white and black, so if you take a look at the story of Ranginui and Papatūānuku, or the Big Bang, as most people know it is. So black, the parents are both together, so it's complete darkness in between them. So all their children sat between them, they were stuck there, and then the white represents the light, so as they got separated, the light starts to creep in, and then as they fully split, battle took place amongst the siblings, blood was spilled, and that's what the red represents. Okay, that might be us for today, guys. Hope that's okay with you guys. Please. How much do you have left on the carving? Not much, bro. I still want to clean the mouth up, do these designs on the side, but our main focus will be the head at the top. So this part. Chuck check our little scans up here. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So this will be our main focus point. It won't take long because it's all in a small area. Well, I hope not. That's pretty much it. Her, whatever. Do you do any sanding on it? Nah, bro. We don't sand our carvings at all. If you want to make it look clean, you push clean it with a chisel. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm going to call it for today. Nice, chill, easy Monday for us. Sunday for others. What we're going to do now is go and look for someone to host. Thank you very much to everyone that's followed. Subbed, even though I don't want you to. Gifted subs as well. But thank you very much, guys. I tell you, I know I say it all the time, you don't have to, and you still do. I'm just looking for someone. Okay, I'm gonna say this. Would you guys like to see someone paint Minato, Namikaze, or see someone play well? Let me know. Much love, Funny. Yeah. Oh, I just went off my chat. There. Hold on. We got paint. Okay. Okay, we'll go host the Broey. / raid. I think I did it right, let me know. And shout out to Infernex for sending through the 4K splitter for the bag. Shout out to the brother. Thank you very much. Is that the shed that was in your first stream? This one. I just moved all the stuff back so I got more space. Bye everyone. See you later. Let me know if these are going through. Silverhand, what does that mean? Here's your arms. Bye bye, guys. Raiding in New Zealand, yeah, boys. Cool, so I think we got a successful raid by what everyone's saying. Okay, stay safe. Much love, everyone. Don't forget to eat your food. See you later. I'm gonna start taking everything off.